Welcome to Skybrary, Reading as Fundamentals digital library for kindergarten through 3rd grade, featuring an award-winning library of books, real-world video field trips,
the Grand Canyon,
standards-aligned lessons, and easy-to-use student management tools. Let's start by walking you through how to set up your classroom account. After your school's designated administrator activates your classroom account, you will receive an email. Click on the link to confirm your email and set your password. Once you select Continue, you can sign in by clicking Teacher on the home page. This will take you directly to your dashboard. Your teacher dashboard includes features such as class roster, reports, curriculum, a searchable library of books and videos, and the Skybrary reading service itself. To set up your classroom, scroll down to the Get Started button and click it. You will be taken to the class rosters page. Click Start to edit your class name and set your classroom code. You can roster up to 35 students by clicking on the Add Students button. You can upload a .csv spreadsheet with the students' names already entered, or you can enter each student manually. If you have a .csv spreadsheet ready to go, click Upload. Then choose the file from your computer and click Upload again. You'll notice that every student has an auto-created icon-based password. This saves a lot of time. To add more students, click on the Add Student button. It will auto-create the student's password as an icon or text, but you can also manually create a password. In addition, a parent or guardian's email address can be entered, so they can be made aware that their child can enjoy using Skybrary at home. You can always return to this page to make changes or review students' passwords. The next feature in the teacher dashboard is Reports. The Reports area includes information on each student's time spent reading, books read, and videos watched, as well as totals for your whole class. The curriculum area contains an array of teacher's guides. Below them, you will see 40 themed units. These are turnkey lesson plans that tie together books, videos, and more,
living just as it would in the wild,
to create an interactive experience. The final tab in the teacher dashboard is the library, where you can search for any book or video in our service. You can also filter for items like content and grade level. When you're ready to read a book to your class, click on the top right orange button labeled Open Skybrary. Then click on the red balloon and select one of the interactive islands. Now you're ready to choose any book or video in our library. If you're in a one-to-one classroom or in a classroom where students share devices, we'll walk you through that step now. Open the browser on each device, sign into the teacher dashboard, then scroll down to the bottom of the page to the classroom bookmark creator. Now, click on the white bar and select your class roster. Then, go to the Student Sign-In page button, where all of your students' usernames are listed in friendly hot air balloon icons. This is the first page your students will see in Skybrary. Bookmark this page in the browser for easy access. Students will have their own login, and each student will have their own balloon for their account. Once the student clicks their name on a green balloon, they can browse themed islands or search for particular topics. When they find a book, they simply click on the cover and select the green check mark to place it in their backpack. This is a great way to assign a book to read in the classroom or at home on a laptop or computer. To sign in at home, students go to the Skybrary homepage, click the red Sign In button, and select Student. Here's what it looks like for students reading books in Skybrary. They can open a book by clicking on the cover. Students have the option to turn narration on or off for every book. They can flip through the pages using the arrow keys and interact with animations when they appear.
Can you name these movie robots?
When a student is finished with a book, they simply click on the X in their backpack to make room for more. Skybrary is a valuable and easy-to-use resource that you and your students will look forward to using again and again. Happy reading!